Hello everyone, my name is Murilo and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to create and manage sessions in Skipster. You can use Skipster session feature when your event requires more than one check-in moment or if your event has several breakout sessions or different attendance time slots as part of the schedule. In summary, the Sessions tool empowers users to invite and assign guests to one or more sessions within the main event, control guest capacity for each session, check guests into sessions independently from the main event check-in, keep record and report on each session's guest attendance. After creating an event, go into the Sessions overview screen by clicking on the Sessions tab on the left-hand side menu. This is where you can create a new session, manage any existing ones, and sort them by name, start date, location, total guests, capacity, as well as by how many people have checked in. To create a session, click on the Create Session button located on the top right corner of the Sessions overview screen. You can define a name, a start time and duration for your session, as well as guest capacity. The session location can either be a physical location or virtual. Once you're ready, just click on the Create Sessions button. If you want your guests to choose the sessions they want to attend, you can invite them to do so via the RSVP form. Just click on the Response Fields tab of your form builder and turn the Sessions toggle on. Click into the Sessions tab to further configure your response field. This is where you can edit the display name, insert a description text, select which sessions options your guests will be able to view and how many they can select. You can also choose if you want the sessions to be displayed as a drop-down menu or as a list, sort the sessions by name or date and time, edit the data format, and choose to display the time zone. If your session is virtual, turn the Auto Register in Zoom toggle on to automatically register your confirmed guests in Zoom. You can also send a confirmation email to your guests with full sessions details such as session name, location, date and time, and an Add to Calendar function. Manually assign your guests to one or more sessions by clicking on the Guest tab on the left-hand side menu. Just select the guest and via the Action drop-down menu, choose the Add to Sessions option. Additionally, you can assign each guest to the sessions via their own guest profile under the Sessions tab. Any sessions created inside your main event are listed below your guest list on the Skipster iOS or Android app, including the individual start time, duration, confirmed guest count, and capacity. You can use the Skipster app to check your guest into a session independently from the main event check-in. Select the guest you want to check in or scan their check-in QR code to view the guest detail. Click on the Session tab in the bottom of the guest profile and click on the golden Check-in button. The mobile app also enables you to remove or add a guest to sessions. Simply click on the Edit button to view your guest detail, then click on Sessions to view a list of the sessions within your event. You can choose to assign your guests to one or more sessions. You can track each session's check-in progress at the top of the session list. Any guest registered and checked into the session will be counted towards the session capacity, including any checked-in plus ones. You can visualize and report on your session's attendance data by clicking on the Sessions tab inside the Reports feature of your main event. The graphs allow you to compare data between sessions, including individual breakdowns on total guests checked, in-person and virtual guests, as well as total guests added. Head to our Help Center for more articles on our Sessions feature, and thanks for watching!